Tingin-tingin ako ng bibigay ko sa tatay ko. Ano, maganda rin ito kulay, oh. Ano ba yan? You want that? You want that turtle? Is that a turtle? Sakit ngipin mo, girl. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Navy Exchange. At nagtitingin-tingin kami ng mga electronics nila dito. Balak namin bumili na Nintendo Switch 2. Gift ko kay Travis. Pakita ko sa inyo.
They'll probably all be gone. Before we buy one, they'll all be gone.
Maubos na yung Nintendo Switch. Bibili na lang kami ngayon.
Yeah, it says
we should
Nintendo
buy
Switch
now.
does not intend to lower the price below $4.99 for Black Friday.
Okay, come on. Let's go grab one.
Because
So that's gonna be your gift. So ito yung price niya, guys. Ito yung gusto naming kunin, yung bilhin namin, itong Mario Kart World Bundle.
You can only buy one per customer.
Only one for
Yeah,
customer.
grab a Mario Kart one while we walk around.
You mean this one?
Yeah.
Ooh! Gift. Gusto niya yung ito daw gift ko sa kanya. Here.
It's kind of expensive.
Kakaubusan na eh. Ang daming bumili kanina. Di pa naman, marami pa namang silang stock. They still have a lot of stocks though.
Yeah, they do.
But you said they're not gonna go down.
That's
The
what
price,
Grok is saying, that they don't typically lower the price because for $4.99 it's normally $4.49 and then you get an $80 game, which it would be like $5.20 or $5.30, so they've already discounted it by $30
Yeah.
for the game. Because if you
So,
look
kumuha na
at
kami ng
Mario,
isa.
this one right here, look,
79.
that's what you're getting with that one.
Yeah. So meron na siyang game.
What is this?
Ano yan?
It's the armor.
I think that's a case. Kasi nanood kami ng reviews niya, guys. Madami kang pwedeng gawin eh. Hindi lang ano. Pwede ka rin daw you can also watch on Netflix here, right? Or no?
Yes, but you have to go through the browser, but not. It doesn't have like streaming services built into it.
They also have this one, but this doesn't have the
No games with it.
Mario Kart bundle, right?
Yeah, so if you buy the one with the bundle, you get Mario Kart.
Kasi tignan nyo naman ang presyo, 79. Tapos yung isa, $4.99, meron na siyang games na Mario Kart. Tapos ito, yung walang ano, $4.49. So if you add $4.49 plus 79, so probably around 500 plus.
Oh, it
No, like 500 plus, yeah.
would be
600.
50, 60, it'd be $5.30.
Yeah.
So if you want, you can play like volleyball, because you remember the monitor.
Oh, right.
But I think you need the.
Tapos tignan nyo naman kada games,
you need the
iba-ibang presyo. So every game like $60, $50?
Yeah, they're expensive.
But how many games, built-in games?
There's some in there for free that you can play. There's
Right.
like 20 or 30 games for free, but they're not like the quality of like these.
Okay,
games,
yeah.
Which is why you're paying money, because these games were designed for it.
Okay.
But they are expensive.
Right.
I mean,
Okay.
look at this one. This is
Yeah, we can bring that in Michigan. We can play with mom and dad. Okay, let's go.
on the TV.
So bibili rin kami nito, guys. What is that? Joy-Con 2?
Yeah, it's a charging grip, and
Is that for the two consoles?
yeah, so it's attach the Joy-Con charging grip and use it as a classic game controller. So instead of, see how these are pulled off like this? Well, these attach on each side like this, so it's an actual controller.
Oh,
all
okay. So that's an extra.
Yeah, they're all sold out.
Yeah, what's
No,
no?
this is the last one.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
They have one more there.
No, this is different. This is the Pro controller.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Magtitingin-tingin ako na bibigay ko sa tatay ko na mga sombrero, ganon. Tingin tayo dito. Meron siya mga sombrero. Pero hindi siya sale eh. Pero tignan tayo ng price. Meron dito. Ganda ng kulay na to. Mechanic ko kasi yung tatay ko eh. Daddy na. Tatay pala, tatay. Ito, 14 lang. Gusto ko yung itim. Kasi Pag puti, magagrasahan. Ito maganda rin yung green. Yan yung price niya guys. $14.99. Pero maganda rin ito kulay oh. Ano ba yan? US Navy. $14 din siya. Kung alam ko anong kulay kukunin ko. Ay. Maganda yung white eh. Ayan oh. Kaso ganda rin to. United States Navy. Or mag-check pa ako sa iba. Ay, ayan oh. Ang ganda nitong isa oh. Wait lang. We're gonna look around Ellie. Ito na lang mabait ito si Ellie. Tingnan natin presyo nito. Uy, ito mura. $13.99. Ito na lang. Diba? $1 difference lang. Ay, Master Chief. Ay, Master Chief naman na. Master Chief. So, ito na lang talaga yung kukunin ko, guys. Kasi isa Master Chief nakalagay. $14. Tapos na-adjust naman siya. So, ito na lang. Ang cute nito, guys. Oh. Maliliit na damit. Diba? You okay, Ellie? Eliana? Bait naman ang baby na yan. Bibilan ko yung pamangkin ko nito guys. Clearance siya. Oh, $2 na lang. So far, ito yung bibilin natin. Yung sombrero ng aking ama. At itong lagayan ng tubig para sa pamangkin ko. Meron akong nabili sa kanya mga damit pero dadagdag natin. Mura lang kasi. Dami nila dito tinda guys. Oh, ito pa sa likod meron pa pala. Sorry, malabo. Dito sa likod. O, diba? Gusto ni Ellie, guys. So, bibili natin. You want that? You want that turtle? Is that a turtle? Not yet. We will look later. You want that? Babe, she want this turtle. Come here.
I'm gonna grab a micro SD card off Amazon because it's cheaper here. It's cheaper on Amazon.
Okay.
So you can download all the games you want and it's
Yeah.
not gonna fill up the storage.
Okay. I know you want that. Daddy, can you grab that? It's on clearance.
$4?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Can you put this in there, babe? Oh.
Is this for your dad?
This is for my dad. This is probably for my
What about
mom.
this? It's halfway
So,
full.
tapos na kami mamili, guys. Ayan lang yung mga binili namin. Kasi mahal na din yung Nintendo, eh. $500, diba? $500. Uwi na kami. Mag-check out muna kami. Tapos yung case, bibili na lang kami online. Kasi para madami kasi silang choice
I'm just
online
thinking
kaysa
if
dito.
Ellie
What is
grabs
that?
it protects it, the sides, in
How
case
much is
Ellie
that?
throws it.
Mahal pa naman ng mga accessories ng ano.
I don't know, I might have to scan it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go na. Muryot na ang isa, oh. Binilan ko ng turtle. Kaya tingin siya ng tingin. Buti mura lang. Kasi hindi ko naman siya palaging binibilhan, guys. Kasi nga, marami na siyang toy. Pero ayan, pwede niyang ikado, ganyan. Tapos may zipper, Ellie, oh. Pwede mo lagay dito yung ano mo. Diba? I know! Hi! Oopsie. Oopsie. Dito na naman siya, oh. Ang ingay na ni Ellie. Ganyan siya, guys, pag bored na siya. Kasi ilang oras na kami dito. Siguro mga magto 2 hours na. Tama ba?
Yeah.
So, ang binili
I think that's what we
namin,
might
bibili
do
namin
on
ito. Tapos, itong
Or these-
Nintendo
or these
Switch.
like
Tapos,
this
ito
size.
guys, mga clearance na to. Ito, tapos ito, tapos ito. Ito, hindi. Para lang sa tatay ko.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll do then.
Okay.
And I know what you guys can buy me.
Kausap
I'm
niya
gonna
yung
send it to
parents niya.
It's
Kasi
about-
nagbibili
it's
kami
about-
ng mga gift para sa kanila.
Well, actually, shit, you guys.
Pati kay Aunt Sherry din. So, tinawagan niya. Ang ingay na ni Ellie talaga. Ikaw? Ah. Ah.
Well, I have to ship it.
Masakit ngipin mo, girl.
Jess is buying me a Nintendo Switch too, so it's an SD card to extend it like
Oopsie.
so. Yeah.
Oopsie.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. All right.
Ah. Ang cute-cute naman. Okay. Nag-iingay na si Palanga.
A few moments later.
Uwi na kami. Ano yan? Unbox ni Travis yung Christmas gift niya. Di ba? Ang aga unbox.
Okay.
Napaga yung Christmas gift namin sa isa't isa.
Oh.
Ooh! Look at that. Nice. Hi, Kindly. Nag-unbox si Daddy. Ay, ang taray ng screen. Parang
Cool.
tablet.
Kind of like a little tablet.
Yeah.
So,
Ayan yung controller, right?
yeah, this must be the top. So that goes in like that. I'll definitely need a screen protector for this.
Yeah.
And then, I know.
Nice. Look at that.
Oh, cool. So we got that.
I think, oh, you can also put that. You can stand it.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's see if I can. This is
I think they have a charger. Oh, that's when you want to connect it in the TV, right? Is that the HDMI cord?
Yeah, I think that one is for the dock, and this is what the docking station should be here. And this is kind of cool. The docking station
right.
is what's pretty sweet.
It's like the PS5, right? They have
So
it.
yeah, you can plug that into the dock. We'll get that set up in just a second. Oh,
What is that? Oh, so you don't need that.
I can take that back. I didn't know it came with one.
Because we bought another one for that.
Yeah, I didn't know it came with one.
What?
Okay,
That's nice.
so I can get my $39 back.
Okay.
And then it looks like this is the. Oh, I see. This is the dock charger, or the dock power. So let me go ahead and I'll get it powered up onto the TV real quick.
Diba? Mahal yan sa Pinas. I checked the price in the Philippines. I think they're more expensive to... It's more expensive to buy there. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Meron din kasi kami niyan sa work ko. Pagka naglalaro yung mga patron, mga military, doon, no? Kasi kakabit niya daw sa TV. Ooh! Look who's excited!
So let me see here.
Look who's excited! Bilisan mo, magdede ka na. Magdede.
Oh, I see. That's kind of nice. They unlock,
Oh. Ay, talaga
then-
itong batang to, oh!
and then these
No.
lock in like this.
Chismosa ka talaga, ha?
So see, now you have a
Oh, that's cool.
controller,
Yeah.
and then the dock. This should slide into the dock like that.
That's pretty cool.
And then this is the HDMI.
Laylay na naman yung Christmas tree ko. Ano nangyari?
And I'm gonna throw this into an HDMI output that we can just use with the TV.
Yeah.
'Cause the
Meron
T-
ako niyang sapin sa may
The TV
ilalim.
already has an
Hindi
optical
ko na
output.
kinabit.
So hang on, let me.
Maglalaro si Daddy. Ellie, maglalaro. Ang chismosa, oh. Dali na, magdede na. Ito pa. Kalingon-lingon eh. May cone si Kinsey. Nilagyan namin ng cone kasi nagkakamot ng belly niya. Tapos yung binili ko guys para sa iuwi ko sa Pilipinas. Bumila ako ng parang lagay ng tubig, ganun, para sa pamangkin ko. And then, bumila ako ng sombrero. Tapos, bukasan ng
It's got a backing.
Aray, Elry! Huwag mong paglaruan ng ni Mami, talaga. Isa! Kulit, oh. Kulit mo, tignan mo headband mo, wala na. Tanggal na naman. Natutuwa yung mga sa kanya, mga tao dun sa may kanina.
Should I put it here?
Ang ganda daw ng mata ni Ellie.
Should I put it there, babe, so it docks there?
It's up to you. Tapos ka na? Hindi ka pa tapos, ah.
'Cause it would-
Do you want your turtle? Let me grab your turtle. Ano nangyari sa buhok mo? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Look what happened to your hair. Kaya siguro wala ka ng buhok. Kaya nakakalbo yung buhok mo. Siguro wag na kitang lagyan ng Beno? Ng headband. You like the turtle? Yeah, you like it?
Look, babe.
Nalagay na ni Travis. Ay, na-connect niya na. Like your turtle? Ang mura niya, kaya nabinili ko na siya, nag-clearance.
Babe, look at that. How nice this
Kasi tumitingin-tingin din siya kanina, kaya sabi ko, bilhin ko na siguro kay Ellie. Kaya hindi man ako bumibili talaga ng laruan, guys, kasi nga, ang dami niya ng laruan. Ang dami din nagbibigay sa kanya. Tapos yung mga bata kasi, madali sila magsawa. Tapos, 'di ba kapag bibili ka ng laruan, yung iba sayang lang din. Tapos kung ano yung hindi mo expect na lalaruin nila, yun ang lalaruin nila. Tingnan mo si Ellie, gusto yung box, gusto yung hinihila-hila siya doon. Pero naglalaro naman siya ng mga laruan niya pag nasa playpen siya. Kasi yun lang talaga yung niya doon. So ayun lang guys, ang ating vlog. Magbabay ka na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye na daw po. Bye-bye guys, see you next time.